Welcome or welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing press on nails. So I haven't done a press on nail set in quite a bit, so we're going to go ahead and get started with my favorite jelly base from Melody Susie. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to all of the nails. Once that's all done, I am going to cure it for a full 60 seconds in my big lamp, and then we're going to go ahead and take this cat eye polish from Goy. It is this pink pretty cat eye polish, and we're just going to apply that to all of the nails. I did do each nail one by one because with cat eye, of course, you do have to use the magnet, and I just wanted to do it separately instead of trying to do all of them together. I'm taking my magnet and I'm taking the long square side of the magnet and just pushing all of that glitter down to the bottom of the nail. And once I have all of the glitter down to the bottom of the nail, about halfway, I do flash cure for about 30 seconds. And then I move on to the next nail and do the same thing.
And when we make love, you don't know my name. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. You don't know my name. Everything I need, it's really close there. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need.
And now that all the nails are done, we are going to go ahead and jump into some nail pigment powder. So I do have my Goy base coat gel, and I'm just applying that to all of the nails and then flash curing for 30 seconds. And then this nail pigment powder is from Amazon. I'm going to be using the green like glittery powder that's in there, and I am just going to apply that to the whole thumbnail. Once I am done applying the nail pigment powder, I'm going to cover it with some top coat, and then I'm going to repeat those same steps to the middle finger and the pinky finger. So right here, I applied my base coat. Now I'm just curing it. The base coat has a tacky layer, so it makes it easier for the nail pigment powder to adhere to. There's a lot of different ways that you can do nail pigment powder, but this is the method that I choose to do. Then I'm going to go in with some matte top coat from Goy, and we are going to be applying this matte top coat because we are going to be doing chrome isolation. Now that that's all cured, we're going to go ahead and take some black polish. I'm using this one from Goy, and I'm taking my liner brush, my 8mm, and I am just doing some nail art lines on all of the nail. First, I take my liner brush, I pick up a good amount of the gel and have it form a bead. Once it's at a good bead, I place it onto the nail and just make my swirls and lines. Once I have the perfect swirls and lines that I like, I do go ahead and flash cure, and then we're going to go ahead and apply our chrome. I'm going to be using this green chrome powder, It's super cute. I got it in like a 15 pack on Amazon, and I'm just taking one of those sponge brushes that comes with it and just applying on the chrome powder. Because we put the matte top coat on first, and then we cured that, and then we did a regular gel polish, the chrome powder will only stick to what's sticky, and that would be the black polish. Now I'm just going to repeat those same steps for all of the nails, applying my polish, making these cute lines with my liner brush, curing that, and then applying the chrome powder. I think line art is probably my favorite nail art to do. It's so intricate and it's a little time consuming, but I feel like once you get it down packed, there's so many endless designs that you can do. Now that we're all done applying the chrome powder to all of the nails, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get this to this. So you're going to take some building gel, and I'm going to roll about a big ball and then cut them up into about 5 small balls. Now we're just going to place all of the 3 gel onto the nail, making our flower. And then I'm going to take my silicone tool, the pointy side, and I am just lightly pressing down in the middle, and then once we get to the top, I am just spreading it up.
Lead me on, believe before the morning comes, even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just
When you push the gel down, you do want to kind of bring it inwards. That way it can create that circular effect of a flower. Using this Sun UV gel color, is this pretty bright pink, and I'm taking my liner brush and just applying that gel to the whole flower.
All I wanna do is lie with you, even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become.
And once I am done applying all that gel to the flower, we are going to flash cure that for 30 seconds. And then we're going to go ahead and take some of this pink fuchsia polish from Beetles. And then I'm going to take my dotting tool and just make dots all along the petals of the flower.
But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why people can't lay it. And secrets, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game we know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you.
Once I'm all done making those dots along the petals, I do flash cure for 30 seconds, and then we're going to take these charms. These are about like medium size to large size beads, and just placing them in the middle of the nail and flash curing that as well. Here is what the design looks like. We are almost done. Lastly, I'm going to take some Sun UV top coat, and I'm just going to go ahead and top coat off this design, making sure to get top coat on all of the nail. is what it looks like with the top coat all cured. Now I am just going to go ahead and take some of this Macart rhinestone glue, and we are going to make dewdrops, so like just little water droplets along the nail. I did do about 3 water droplets. So I'm going to squeeze out some of the rhinestone glue. Once I have it onto the nail, I'm going to do circular motions, that way it can stay a circle on the nail. Sometimes it doesn't come out right like this time, so you can just wipe it off and redo it. Once you're all done and have the perfect water droplets, you can go ahead and flash cure. Be sure not to wait too long doing this step because the 3D gel will start to spread out and it won't look very circular anymore. And then I'm just going to repeat that for all of the nails. I did about 2 water droplets on the flower nails, making sure to flash cure in between.
With you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We ain't had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
And once I'm all done with that, here is the final product of these press-on nails. It is super, super, super cute. They came out so good. The color contrast between the fuchsia pink and the green goes well together. Because we did do that pink cat eye, it did give it an elevated look. Let me know what you guys think about this press-on nail set. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!